Welcome to this video review of the Eurofighter Typhoon, one of the most advanced fighter jets in Europe. In this video, we will take a detailed look at the capabilities and features of this impressive aircraft, including the first pilot to fly it. History of the Eurofighter Typhoon. The development of the Eurofighter Typhoon began in the 1980s as a collaborative effort between Germany, Italy, Spain, and the United Kingdom. The Eurofighter Typhoon made its first flight in 1994 and entered service in 2003. Design and capabilities. The Eurofighter Typhoon is a twin-engine, canard delta wing fighter jet that is designed to be highly agile and versatile. It has a length of 52 feet, a wingspan of 36 feet, and a height of 17 feet. The aircraft has a maximum takeoff weight of 51,809 pounds and can reach a top speed of Mach 2, approximately 1,500 miles per hour. One of the most impressive features of the Eurofighter Typhoon is its advanced avionics and sensors. The aircraft is equipped with a variety of sensors, including a passive electronically scanned array (PESA) radar system that allows the pilot to detect and track multiple targets simultaneously. It is also equipped with an infrared search and track (IRST) system that allows the pilot to detect and track targets without emitting any signals. The Eurofighter Typhoon is powered by two Eurojet EJ200 turbofan engines, producing a thrust of up to 40,000 pounds. The aircraft has a range of approximately 2,300 miles and can stay in the air for up to 4.5 hours. Armament. The Eurofighter Typhoon is equipped with a variety of weapons systems that make it a formidable opponent in combat. It has a 27mm Mauser BK-27 revolver cannon that can fire up to 1,500 rounds per minute. The aircraft can also carry a variety of air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles, including the AIM-120 and AGM-88. Notable features. One of the most notable features of the Eurofighter Typhoon is its advanced fly-by-wire flight control system. The system allows the pilot to control the aircraft with precision and agility, even at high speeds and altitudes. Another notable feature of the Eurofighter Typhoon is its ability to operate in a networked environment. The aircraft is designed to share information with other aircraft and ground-based systems, allowing it to operate as part of a coordinated network. First pilot to fly the Eurofighter Typhoon. The first pilot to fly the Eurofighter Typhoon was Chris Warning, a test pilot for BAE Systems, who flew the aircraft on March 27, 1994, at the company's Wharton Aerodrome in Lancashire, England. Warning had extensive experience flying other advanced fighter jets such as the Tornado and the Harrier. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Eurofighter Typhoon is a highly advanced aircraft that represents a significant step forward for European military aviation capabilities. Its advanced avionics and sensors, fly-by-wire flight control system, and weapons systems make it a formidable opponent in combat, and its ability to operate in a networked environment gives it an edge over other fighter jets. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this review informative.